guys, back to another video. In today's video, I will be playing Bloons TD6, and I'm gonna be grinding monkeys. So yeah, so they'll upgrade. So I'm trying to get the Paragon, or however you say it. So yeah, and I'm just gonna upgrade this monkey to quick shots and long range. Okay, I'm just gonna speed it up. So yeah, I'm gonna put this extra monkey if anything gets through. Quick shots, very quick shots. And then I'm gonna go for a triple shot. Yeah, so I made that intro you watched at the start. I hope you like it, because it took a while to make it. Yeah, so yeah, I made that yesterday, and I tried to publish all my videos like right after I do them. So also the Christmas event is sort of like, the Christmas event on this game is done. I didn't realize that, so yeah, just gonna keep using these. So you know, Zach's got games. I got this idea when, I think in his series, he did grinding. Like, he just put a whole bunch of these guys in easy mode. Yes, this is easy mode. He just put a whole bunch of these guys down, and then leveled up the XP really good. So I got like so much of these guys. You know what's gonna be really good? So I'm gonna go in the upgrades. So there's the Super Monkey Fan Club, and then the Plasma Monkey Fan Club. So it's like a power up, and when you do it, all the monkeys get to turn into a Plasma Super Monkey. So it's really good. I don't know why I have this down. Okay. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep placing these guys everywhere. This might actually take a while. Okay, so quick shots, very quick shots. I'm gonna save up for triple shots, so there. Okay, so sharp shots, razor sharp shots. So this guy can't see camo then. Quick shots, very quick shots, long range shots, enhanced eyesight, enhanced eyesight, quick shots, enhanced eyesight. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a crossbow real quick down this path. So we're gonna go crossbow, see, crossbow, sharpshooter, and then this one looks really cool. I like the look of this. I don't know how they made this thumbnail, but it looks cool. I'm gonna do the crossbow. Okay, yeah, that looks sorta cool. Look at them, just firing those crossbows. Okay, so quick shots, very quick shots. Now he shoots the crossbow very fast. Okay, I really just want to stick to using the dart monkeys, except this will come in really useful for like an end thing. Oh no, I did not. I forgot about. Okay, this is really bad. Bomb, bomb, bomb. I don't have enough. No. Okay, they'll go on the spikes and they'll be... Okay, I need a bomb now. That's where I'm supposed to go. I can't believe... Just please break the lead or whatever it is. Okay, there. Now we're good. Moab Mauler. We're gonna get that. And then we'll get the Moab Assassin and then the Moab Eliminator. I feel like you can't hear me, so I'm just gonna turn the sound down because I feel like you can't hear me. Okay, oh, camels, great. Okay, should we do a druid? Would that help? I'm just gonna work on this and then faster production, even faster. I really want that Moab Assassin. It's really good. Well, I mean, like if you're only on round 36 like me. How much XP do we have? Okay, good. I just need 5. So this will be part 1. I'm gonna be making parts. So I hope it's gonna be on the... Okay, this is really overpowered. I only get one of them though. I'm gonna work on my crossbow now. Okay, I'm gonna switch this guy to last, because usually, yeah, last. Oh wait, no, should it? I don't know what it should be. I'm just doing last now, because, yeah. Sharpshooter, let's go. We got sharpshooter. Look how cool that crossbow is though. It looks pretty cool. It's crossbow master, I really want it. How much is that? 21? And this is really good too. So it's probably gonna be on the same round on part 2. Okay, Moab. Okay, free play. Okay, crossbow master, I really want that. What can I do? Should I put a super monkey? Why not? Let's do it, okay. Okay, I hope this works. Well, it's gonna work, but I hope they don't get to the other side. We could put a radar. Put a radar on the monkey village. And then we'll upgrade them. So what would be good was if I got the anti-balloon or the sun god, the true sun god, but except it's really expensive. Sun avatar would be good just to, and then sun temple, but this monkey. Okay, now he's shooting. Once we get plasma, I think we'll be good for a little bit. I haven't tried out this guy. How much? The motor monkey. I haven't upgraded him very much. I'm just gonna put him here. Actually, let's sell him because I'm not really sticking to that rule of only use dart monkeys, but I guess it's fine. Super monkey will help a lot. Dart monkey. Oh, you know what would be really good for this? Okay, I just got the best. So this one, was it this one, Monkey City? Yeah, every round gives you a free dart monkey. That's gonna be really good. Okay, I gotta upgrade that. Monkey Town. It's so expensive though. Oh no, they're getting through big time. Once I get, okay, plasma blast. Okay, now I gotta focus on this because. Okay, I'm so excited to get this free dart monkey thing. Yeah, so this is so overpowered right now, it kind of feels like cheating. Well, I'll get this next part 2 because I'm gonna end the video right now. So, see you later.